fly anywhere in the world, where would you fly to?
I would go to Disneyland, Florida, since I've been there before and I like the characters.
If you could fly anywhere in the world, where would you fly to?
I would fly to Africa or Asia
Why?
because I like animals.
If you could fly anywhere, where would you fly?
So I would fly to either Australia or to Hawaii because they have animals there and I want to know how to surf in Hawaii because I don't.
If you could fly anywhere in the world, where would you fly?
I would fly to Canada to see how a different part of the world does Christmas.
If you could fly anywhere in the world, where would you fly?
Italy.
What did you like about Italy?